Right. Hello, guys. Hi, hi. Hello. Hello, Janta. Am I audible? Am I visible? Hello. Good evening. Good evening, Ravi Kiran. Good evening. Hi, Chayan. Hello. Hi, hi, hi. Am I audible clearly? मेरी आवाज साफ है एकदम. Audio 4K. Okay. Perfect. 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 So, good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Okay, then let us start. Right, let us start. Okay, okay, cool. All right, so is my screen visible? Good evening, Bhavna. Is my screen visible? You are back, motivation pillar. Cool. Okay. My screen is not visible. यार GitHub का लिंक अगर तुम्हें नहीं मिला, if you guys didn't got the GitHub link, then let me give you it. Is my screen visible? First tell me, is my screen visible? Yes, now it is visible. Let's upgrade. Please place me in my favorite position. Okay, guys, please place me in my favorite position. Let's upgrade. Okay, if you guys didn't got the repository link, so let me share it with you right away. Okay, so yes. This is the repository link, right? You can see this link. Okay, so this is the repository link. You can directly go here and you can see this repo. Okay, okay. I cannot share the link in the chat because वो links नहीं जाते हैं chat पे. So but you can search this and you can get the repo from here. Okay, so this is the repo. So you can get it from here. Okay, okay, got it. Fine. Then let's start. So how many days this course will be there? Please tell how. I'm not sure about the certificates and all. Maybe Anam or Shreya will help you with it. But yes, let's start with the session, today's session. And if my screen is visible, let us start directly with JavaScript. Okay, so let us now start with JavaScript. So index, yeah, script.js. Chalo. Script.js. Okay, so what have we done so far, right? What have we done so far? Let us see that. Okay, what have we done so far? Let us see that first and then we will continue. Okay, where it is. Okay, so wait, I need to dispose the port and let's again go live. Okay, right, so I have changed the images, right? I have changed the images. All the images that I have changed you will find in that GitHub link that I have shared, and I have changed this logo as well. Okay, so the logo I have changed and the images, the thumbnails I have changed, right? So this is we have done yesterday. We have done this much yesterday, right? Any issues in this? Any issues in this? Hello Priya, hello Priya. Neta come sir. Oh my god. Okay, so any issues so far, Janta? We have done this much yesterday. We have done this much, right? I don't think so there would be any kind of issue in this, right? So is it looking like a YouTube? Is it looking like a YouTube? How can we access the code that we work? I have already shared the GitHub link in like early 5 to 10 minutes of this video. You can have a look, right? I have already shared the GitHub link in 5 minutes, right? In 5 minutes of this video, the starting 5 minutes of this video. So I have shared the GitHub link, right? You will when you recap the video, you will find it in starting 3 or 4 minutes. Okay, so I've shared the GitHub over there, and you will maybe you will find in like all in one document as well. I'm not sure. Okay, okay. Hi Anjali. Hi Anjali. Hi. Okay, so let us start adding the JavaScript, right? So what I want to do in JavaScript, so first of all, I want that whenever I click on this hamburger, right? This menu icon should collapse, okay? And whenever I again click on it, it should again come into picture, right? So let us add this much JavaScript. Let us add this much JavaScript. So here is my hamburger, right? Here is my hamburger. I am giving it a class, okay? I am giving it a class, suppose menu icon, okay? Suppose menu icon, I am giving it the class. Now what I will do, first of all, what I will do in my script tag, okay, I need to get this menu icon and I need to add a on click function, right? So first I need to get that menu icon and then I need to add the on click function ki whenever I click on that menu icon, something should happen, okay? So what I am doing, where menu icon, which is equals to document dot query selector, and here comes my menu icon, right? So what I have done, git ka link send karo na, mujhe nahi Priya, git link I cannot share on the chat because chat pe links jate nahi hain, so that is the problem. I cannot share it on chat, okay? Maybe you can search my GitHub, okay? So this is my GitHub ID. You guys can search me on GitHub, right? And मेरी GitHub में YouTube clone नाम से तुम्हें मिल जाएगा, okay? So this is my GitHub ID. You guys can search me on GitHub, and you can get it, okay? अरे GitHub repositories में मेरी ID search करोगे तो repositories में YouTube clone LetsUpgrade नाम से you will get the repo, okay? Cool. Yesterday source code and images. Guys, I have told this many a time. Yesterday's source code and images are on GitHub, and this is my GitHub ID. You can search my GitHub ID, and there you will find. Okay, perfect. Okay, so what I have done so far, I have get that menu icon, and now what I want to do? I want to add a on-click function, right? So on menu icon, what I will do, I will add on click. Menu item dot on click, right? Menu item dot on click, and what will happen? Some function will be there, okay? So on click of this menu item, what will happen? I want to perform, say I want to log something, that is my menu icon clicked, okay? Menu item clicked. I want to do this, right? Let us see in my inspect, is it working or not? Let us see. So it is not working, okay? Menu item, am I getting my menu item? Let us log my, copy this. Am I getting this? Save it. Let's see it now. Okay, let's reload. No, I'm not getting my menu icon. Is spelling correct? I'll copy this and I will paste it. Yes, spelling is correct. Then what happened? Why I am not getting? Okay, wait. So I have not linked, right? I have not linked this script tag. Okay. So first, what I need to do, I need to link this script tag. Okay. So script src. Okay, src, and that is my script.js, right? So I have not linked the script tag. That's why the script is not loaded. Okay, so I'm getting my menu icon, right? So I'm getting my menu icon, and whenever I'm clicking on it, okay, I'm not getting anything. So that is a problem. Okay, let us see now. On click. No, I'm not getting anything, or this on click function is not working. Okay, menu item dot on click. Oh, my bad. C is small, right? So since I work on React, so in React, this on-click function ka C is capital. So that's why it's my habit. So yes, now on-click function is working, right? So now what I want to do, right? Now what I want to do, मुझे ये करना है कि जब भी मैं इस on-click function पे क्लिक करूं, ये जो साइड बार है, इसकी width कम हो जाए, right? इसकी width कम हो जाए. I want to do this, right? I want to do कि जब मेरी साइड बार की width कम हो जाए, right? So for that, what I have to do is basically I need to get my sidebar, right? I need to get my sidebar first, sidebar, which is equals to document dot query selector, and that is my sidebar, right? So let us get my sidebar. I will copy this from here and I will paste it over here. And now what I want to do, I want to add some class. Okay, I want to add, or I want to toggle some class list. Okay, so sidebar dot class list dot toggle dot toggle. Okay, so मुझे toggle करना है इसकी class list को whenever I'm clicking on it, right? Whenever I'm clicking on it, I need to toggle this. Okay, sidebar wala part. So what I will add, I will add a class list called sm smaller sidebar. Okay, I need to add a class list called smaller sidebar, and I will style this, smaller sidebar. Let us see, where is my sidebar? Okay, here is my sidebar, right? So below this, what I will write, its width is 15 pixels. Okay, its width is 15 pixels. Earlier the sidebar ki width is 15 pixels. Now I need to downgrade its width. So let us say I need to do 5 pixels of width. Okay, so let us see now what happens. So see, can you see this? Can you see? Okay, let me show it to you. If you are able to see, ये देख रहे हो? Something is happening, right? Something is happening. Can you see, guys? Whenever I'm clicking on this, the width is getting toggled, right? The width is getting toggled, right? Also, what I want to do, is I need to hide these. Okay, I need to hide these home, subscription, and all these things, right? So what I can do for that, I'll simply do इसके अंदर का जो एंकर है, राइट? इसके अंदर का जो एंकर टैग है, राइट? सो व्हाट आई विल डू, स्मॉलर साइडबार के अंदर जो एंकर टैग है उसको डिस्प्ले नन. ओके, उसको डिस्प्ले नन कर दो, राइट? सो लेट्स सी. ओ माय बैड, एंकर के अंदर जो पैराग्राफ है, राइट, उसको डिस्प्ले नन कर दो. ओके, सी, it is working. It is working now, right? So I am able to toggle this. I am able to toggle this sidebar, right? I am able to toggle this sidebar. Okay, which is perfect. Now what I want, what is the other thing that I want? कि जब भी मेरा sidebar की width कम हो रही है, right? Whenever this sidebar width is getting smaller, right? This screen, the main screen, right? Its width should increase, right? Its width should increase, है ना? So for that I need to get this main container as well. मुझे इस main container को भी लेके आना पड़ेगा. So let us get that. Let us get this main container. So I'll copy this, and in my script tag, what I need to get my main container. Okay, I need to get my main container, and same thing I will do with my main container. So main container, those class list dot add larger main container. Okay, so now what I will do, now I will add this larger main container, and similarly I will style this larger main container as well. Okay, so so earlier it was something like this. Now I will do it like this, and this would be my larger main container. Let us see, is it working or not? See, wait, what happened? Okay, let us see. It is working, but let us see now. What is happening? Oh, my bad. I need to reduce this margin, right? I need to reduce this margin to 7. Okay, that was my bad. Sorry. Yes, now it is working, right? Now it is working. Is it? It is working. But somehow this card is not arranged properly. Is it? These cards are not arranged properly, है ना? So I need to arrange this card as well. मुझे इन cards की placement भी change करनी पड़ेगी थोड़ी सी. I need to rearrange these cards, right? Right. So where did you small sidebar? So I added the JavaScript. Okay, so what I did, I got the sidebar and then I toggled the class, right? And I added a class called smaller sidebar, and then I styled this smaller sidebar over here. See, this smaller sidebar, and I have reduced its width. Okay, so you can rewind the video and see it later on, maybe, right? And then what should I do? Then what should I do? Also, I should get my card. Okay, I should get my card as well, right? So let us get my card. Okay, and similarly, I will add larger card. Okay, similarly, I will add my larger card, and I will style them as well. Okay, so where is my card? Here is my card. What I need to do? Nothing, just nothing. Paste it. Oh god. Okay, copy this, paste it, and simple. I will do it something like this. Let us see now. Yes, it is working. Maybe. Yes, it is working. Okay. 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 So now see what happens. Now see what happens. See, so whenever I'm doing this, one card is getting larger. Can you see? One card is getting large, right? One card, only one card is getting. See, only one card is getting. Why only one card is getting? Why only one card is getting? Because maybe what I need to do, query selector, query selector all. Okay, query selector all, and let us see. Is it working? No, it is not working. But let us see now what happens. Copy this, paste it. So whatever I'm getting over here, let us see. Inspect it. I'm getting 12 cards. Okay, I've got the cards. And whenever I'm clicking on it, what is happening? I'm getting one error. Okay, I'm getting one error. Okay, that is the problem. Fine. No worries. No worries. Class list dot add. Let us try add. Right, let us try add. Add is also not working. Okay. Okay, then let me do one thing. Then let me do one thing. Let us give some. Okay, let us give this id. Okay, let us give id to everybody, right? Let us give id also. I'll copy this id, which is equals to card. Okay, so I will give same id to everybody. Okay. Okay, fine. Let us give it to everybody. Okay, let us see, will it work? Get document dot get element by id, and let's see, reload the page. Menu icon null. Why it is showing null? Acha, okay, my bad. This should be like this. Yes. Okay. perfect, and यहाँ पे toggle, let's see. It is targeting only one. Okay, why it is targeting only one item? This is strange. This is strange. It is targeting only one item. Hmm. Okay, we'll look it into it later, right? इसको हम देखते हैं बाद में. अभी के लिए इसको कमेंट करते हैं. We'll look into it later on, right? But let us add the other page, right? अभी हम other दूसरा वाला जो पेज है वो बनाते हैं पहले, and then we will have a look to it, right? So अभी के लिए what we did, जब भी हम इस पे क्लिक कर रहे हैं, it is getting toggling, right? The container is getting enlarged, and I just need to make this cards larger, okay? So cards बड़े करने हैं, that we will look into it later on. But let us add one more page, right? Let us create one more page, that is maybe what page? Video details, right? Video.html, something like this, right? So this is my another page. So whenever I am clicking, right, whenever I am clicking on this function, right, whenever I am clicking on any image, right, any video, it should get enlarged and video should play. So let us do that thing first. Okay, let us do that thing first. Hello second page. Okay, hello second page. So let us see in my this card. Okay, so in my card, what I need to do, now, right? So I just need to do one simple thing. Whenever I am clicking, right, whenever I am clicking on any card, or whenever I am clicking on like any title or something, what I need to do, I just need to route it, I just need to take it to the other page, right? This is the only thing that I want to do, right? That is the only thing that I want to do. So let's do it, right? Let's do it. So, and simply, first what we will do, we will link the style page. So link the CSS part, and that is my index.style page, which is perfect. And let us come here and let us add on this image. Okay, on this image, what we will do, we will add an anchor tag. Which will take us to this page, and inside this we will go ahead with this image. Okay, let's see whether it's working or not. Okay, let's see whether it's working or not. So whenever I'm clicking on it, yes, it is taking me to different page, right? It is taking me to different page, and hello second page is coming. Okay, which is perfect. I just need to do this thing, everywhere, right? I just need to do this thing everywhere. What I need to do, I just need to place that image inside this anchor tag. That's it, and we are good to go. Or maybe if you don't want to place image in that anchor tag, you can place the whole div. Okay, you can place the whole div. You can just place this whole div, okay, like this. Alt Shift F, Control S. Let us see now. Go back. So anywhere on this div, if you click, so it will take you to that thing. Okay, so you can do this as well, right? So perfect. Any doubts so far, guys? Any doubts so far? I don't think so. And you want the same heading, you want the same upper bar, right? You want the same nav bar in that page as well. So let us simply copy this. And let us take this nav bar over here. That's it. Control F, save it, and let us see. On second page also I am getting the same nav bar, right? My nav bar is done. Can you use on click function? I have used on click. Yes, I can use on click function as well, but I can go take it from here as well. ठीक है, मैं यहाँ से भी ले जा सकता हूँ. But yes, if I want to pass some props, right, or maybe if I want to pass any kind of data, right, then of course I would be using the on click function. Okay, then of course I would be using the on click function, right? So now, what I want to do, right? Now let us make let us make let us make one container, right? Let us make one container. Okay, so dot container, right? So this is a container div, and how my page looks like, the video playing page. So there's a large video, and on the side I have few suggestions, right? I have few suggestions. So we have two rows, right? We have two things. Hi Tushar, hi. We have two things, right? So what I can do, dot container left, right? And what we have, or maybe let us put it in dot content, content, and inside this content dot content left and dot content right. Okay, so we have two things. Right is basically my sidebar, right? And in the left content, okay, and in my left content, what we have a video. Okay, we have a video in my content left, and simply I need to add some controls, pause, play, and all. So I need to add some controls. So I will add some controls. I want video to autoplay. ठीक है, मैं जैसे उस पेज पे जाऊं, my video should get autoplay, and make sure you are not giving src over here, right? So videos src is not given over here. We have a source tag for that, and inside source I will give src, and then I will give it something like this, video.mp4. Okay, okay, let us see. Yes, yes. So I will go back, I'll click on here. Yes, it is getting the video. It is the video. I'm getting the video, right? Right. So let us play it muted. Okay, I want it to be muted. I want to play it muted by default. Okay. So yes, I will go back. When I click on it. Yes, I am getting my video. Okay. So now I am getting my video. Perfect. This looks perfect, right? So let us now style it, right? Let us now style it a bit. थोड़ा सा स्टाइल करेंगे इसको. तो हमें क्या चाहिए? सबसे पहले वीडियो को मैं थोड़ा सा छोटा कर देता हूं. So let us give class to it. Sir, this is predefined function. Sir, is that a predefined function? What are you like? What predefined function you are asking about? What predefined function, Aditya, you're asking about? I'm not sure for that. Video, right? We have a video over here, and let us style this container and all first, right? So let us do it. Or maybe I want to add video container, right? For clarity, for more clarity. So I will add video container. So container might be some other thing as well, but video container, I know that this is my video container. Perfect. So first thing first is my border, 2 pixels, solid red, right? So this is my first thing. That is my border, 2 pixels, solid red. So yes, I am getting my border. Perfect. That looks perfect. So inside my video container, I have a video. Iski width I need to change. So let us do its width maybe by 50%. Let's see, will it work? Yes, 50 is way smaller. Let's say 80%. Okay. 80 is a bit bigger, I guess. 70, will it work? I want a bit, margin also, or maybe some padding. Okay, so padding I can give to maybe say 2 rem. Let's see. Okay, but padding I want to give it from left side only. Okay, so padding left I want to give, that is 2 rem, which looks perfect. Video maybe 60. Is this okay? Or should I do it a bit big? Yes, autoplay and all these are attributes, right? These are the attributes. Autoplay ho gaya and your muted. Yes, these are not predefined functions basically. These are some predefined attributes which we can always use in your this thing. What is this video, right? Which you can always use with your video tags. Okay. Okay. Fine. So I need to make it a bit big, maybe 65%, and height should be say 50%. Let's see, will it work? Is this looks fine, guys? Is this looks fine? I guess yes or no, or okay. Let us do one thing. Let us do one thing. Let us use some other thing. Let us use some other thing. Maybe the content part. Okay. Maybe the content part I will use over here. Just a second. We will use the content part. Okay. So dot content. Oh भाई क्या है? Dot content and display flex and justify content space between and we have this thing content left and content right. Okay, so we have content left over here. So instead of video I will use content left and flex basis 65%, and we have content right, so flex basis 30%. Let's remove the height, right, and let us place the borders. Border 2 pixels solid green, right? Let us see now what happens. Okay, okay, कोई बात नहीं. हाँ, tell me what doubt you have, Aditya. Tell me. Tell me, Aditya, what doubts you have. इसके अंदर जो वीडियो I have, right, उसकी width let us say 60%, 60%, and let's see now, or maybe 100%. Let's see now. Yes, this looks fine, I guess, right? This looks fine. Which is better, display flex or grid? See, it depends completely on personal choice. It's your personal choice. So I always go with flex. Okay, I always go with flex. I don't prefer grid. Okay, again, it's on your personal side. I will not comment on it. I prefer flex, so I can do everything by using flex. Okay, okay, I won't comment on that. So now on the right side, right, we have something on the right side. So what we have on our right side, so we have some suggestions and all. We have few suggestions, then we have image, right, then we have the title and all, right? Which is more better? What is flex basis? I cannot comment on that, what is flex basis, because that's a long concept. You need to understand the complete flex first for that, right? So let's not go there. I prefer display flex, Aditya. I already told you I prefer display flex, but it's your personal choice. You can go with either. You can go with any of them. Okay. So image, and I will prefer images slash okay, yes, mypic.png. So this is my oh no, not my pic, actually I want a thumbnail, right? So it would be a thumbnail2.png. Suppose thumbnail2.png, and then in this side we have dot video info, right? We have dot video info, and what we have in the video info? What we have in the video info, we have an anchor tag, right? We have an anchor tag which says, suppose, let's upgrade is the best. Suppose, suppose, okay, which says like this, and we have a paragraph tag, right, which says let's upgrade, right? Let's upgrade, or it's something like this, I guess. Let's upgrade. It's like this, right? And then comes my what? Upload time, right? So then comes my uploading time, or maybe views or uploading time, whatever it is, whatever you feel like. So maybe 4.5k VIEWS views. Okay. So let's see how it looks like. Yes, I have this thing over here. I have this thing over here. So what I will do now? What I will do now? Simple. It's very simple. Let us style this, right? Let us style this. Okay, so I have forgotten one thing. Dot video list. Okay, and then it will come inside this. Fine. Is it responsive? Yes, you can make it responsive. What about what mean by suppose? Array, it is best, guys. Come on, of course. Your upcoming bootcamp. I'm not sure about my upcoming bootcamp so far. Maybe Let's Upgrade will tell you about that. Okay. So content right, we have we style for content right? Yes, we have style for content right, and let's see a video list. So I'll copy this simply. Dot video list. First, apply border, guys. Make sure you apply borders at first, right? Whenever you want to do any kind of styling, borders are the best debuggers. Okay, 2 pixels, solid red, suppose, right? So borders are the best debuggers whenever you feel like. Okay, perfect, this looks cool. So I want to add a display flex. Okay, and justify content, maybe space between. Let's see. Okay, and I'll copy this. Inside this, I have a image, right? So width of that image would be, say, 200 pixels. Let's see. Okay, this looks cool, I guess. Is it? Okay, nice. Or maybe if I do 150, not 250, if I do 150, then no, it is not cool. 200 pixels will work. And border radius 10 pixels. Let us see now. Okay, this looks cool. Margin bottom, maybe 2 pixels of margin bottom. Okay, let us see. Okay, cool. So 2 pixels of margin will not work, I guess. I should at least give 10 pixels of margin. It looks fine. सर तो सेशन करो, आप सेशन लो भाई. मैं सेशन तो ले लूं, बट मेरे को सेशन पता तो हो अगला कौन सा है, कब है. आई डोंट नो अबाउट एनीथिंग. I can take sessions, but I'm not sure. Okay, let's see. Yes, it looks okay. Okay, it look okay. Okay. So what is justify content and align item? See, as I already told you, it's a big concept. It's a separate concept which take 2 hours again. But let me explain it. Let me try to explain it to you. that justify content is something which works on main axis, and align item works on cross axis, right? So suppose, let me try to make it a bit more clear to you guys. Okay, let us try. It's a very important concept, guys. Justify content and align item, it's a altogether separate concept, but yes, it is important concept. So let us try to understand that. Where it is, what happens? What happened to you, भाई? कहाँ है? Is it? अरे, how will I type now? Just a second, give me few minutes, Chanta. How will I type now? No, I need to work on this. Okay, cool. हो जा भाई. Wait a minute. Okay, now it will work. So see, suppose we have two axes, right? One is like this. We can place items like this, or we can place item like this, right? So this is my row, and this is my column, right? So suppose when you have, by default, the by default direction is row direction, right? So justify content works on row, or maybe justify content works on main axis, and align items works on cross axis. Okay, so whenever your direction is row, right, whenever your direction is row, means your direction is left to right, right? Your direction is left to right, your direction is row. In your direction row, your main axis would be from left to right, right? Left to right. And justify content works on main axis, means justify content will work on left to right axis, right? So whenever we align item with justify content and the direction is row, so main axis is left to right, and justify content will align the items from left to right direction. Okay, and since align item works on cross axis, right? So if your main axis for the direction row is left to right, then your cross axis would be from top to down, right? Your cross axis would be from top to down. So if your direction is row, right, then justify content which works on main axis will align your items from left to right, and align item which works on cross axis will align your item from top to down, right? From top to down. But if your direction is column, right? So column means top to down. Column means top to down. Now your main axis is from top to bottom. Now your main axis is top to bottom, because you have given direction column, right? In column direction, main axis is top to bottom. So justify content will work on main axis, that is top to bottom. So if your direction is column, since your main axis became top to down, and justify content only works with main axis, so justify content in case of flex direction column will align your items from top to down, and align item will align your items from left to right, because in your direction column, your cross axis is left to right, and your main axis is top to down. Okay. Okay. I know it was very fast. And it was really hard to understand. But as I told you, it's all together. The flex itself is a concept for 2 hours, right? So I cannot explain it much. But yes, I hope you got an idea. Okay. भाई एक्सप्लेन इन शॉर्ट नहीं, मैंने शॉर्ट में ही एक्सप्लेन किया है, लॉन्ग में एक्सप्लेन करना पड़ेगा, तब समझ में आएगा तुम्हें. It's a altogether long concept. Okay, so that's why I told you, but someone asked me to explain, that's why I tried to explain. Maybe you guys get it, I'm not sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One, two, three. Okay, let's see now. So yes, it is looking good. Maybe. Is it? Is it perfect? Let's see now. Okay, cool, 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 cool. Okay, so now in my video list, color I would say I want white color. Okay, but it is, I guess. Okay, bhai. Okay, I will personally सिखा देना. ओके सो ये ना साइड में थोड़ा चिपक सा गया राइट मेरे को ऐसा लग रहा है साइड में थोड़ा चिपक सा गया तो मैं क्या करता हूं नाउ व्हाट आई विल डू ओके padding right padding right 1 rem right I want some padding from it yes it looks cool I guess but ये अभी भी ना कुछ ज्यादा चिपका चिपका सा लग रहा है तो मैं इसको 35 कर देता हूँ राइट लेट अस डू 35 एंड जो ये है इसको मैं कर देता हूँ 60 मे बी 60 थोड़ा सा वो हो गया 63 मे बी इट विल वर्क आई गेस नो यार व्हाट हैपेंस हाँ लेट्स सी नाउ ये ज्यादा हो गया ज्यादा हो गया ज्यादा हो गया आई गेस 32 विल वर्क मे बी this looks fine yes this looks fine maybe 31 will also work I guess ha 31 is working and here let us say 67 this looks perfect is it this looks perfect okay cool then you can maximize your video you can minimize your video if you want to increase the volume you can increase it perfect is it perfect guys let us now style a bit the lower part of this right let us now style the lower part of this okay let us now try to do comments and all okay let us now try to do comments and all what does flow yeah Aditya as I told you if I go in that concept now it's a altogether long concept bro I'm so sorry for that I cannot explain it right away okay so now what I want ki on my this YouTube image I will add an anchor tag on this YouTube icon and I will link it to index.html so whenever I click on this YouTube logo right whenever I click on this YouTube logo I will directly get to my so see if I click on this YouTube logo Arey, what happened what okay so I need to do the same oh my god I need to do the same thing now I need to do this same thing over there as well right I need to do the same thing over here as well let us do it then janta paste it save it and let's see so yes over here minimize perfect click on it I got to this page move to this looks perfect is it it looks good it looks good so target underscore blank we use for opening in a new tab okay so I don't want to open in a new tab that's why sir can you make it responsive yes I can make it responsive if I get the time okay I will try to make it responsive once I get the time okay so now I need to design this lower part okay I need to design this lower part so lower part kaisa dikhta hai one the first thing first that we have is a big title okay so first we have a big title okay so let us get that title wala part so this is content right let's remove this now below this we have dot video below video container okay so we have one below video container now I'll simply copy this try to style it, paste it. Okay. So border, first thing first is border. Make sure you do a border. Solid green. Let's see. Okay, so I got it. Perfect. Perfect. Now what I need to add, the first thing first is my title. Okay. So let us give one h1 tag and let us say let's upgrade is the best channel to learn development. अरे यार guys क्या यार मेरा कीबोर्ड खराब हो गया यार. Development and DSA maybe. Okay, so let us write it like this. What do you mean by time? Okay, this looks cool. So yes, again, once again, color I want to be white. I want to be white in color. Looks good. But one thing, the size is a bit big, right? Do you feel size is a bit bigger size? It is a bit bigger in size. So let's do it. It is a bit smaller in size. So let's take h1 and let us style h1 tag. Okay. So let us style this h1 tag now. So this h1 tag, I want font size to be 1.4 rem. Let's see. Bit small. 2 rem, 32 pixels तो होता ही है default size. That is the default size, right? 1.8 rem, I guess. Does it look cool? I don't know. Hi Sanya. Maybe 1.9, I guess. Yes, it looks okayish. Okay, then what we have? Then we have the channel name and all, right? So then we have a channel name and all. So let's do that as well. So we have dot other details. So in this we have one thing. First thing is called dot channel name and icon. So in this what we have, first we will have the image, right? And then we will have one more div which says name and subscribers. Okay, name and subscribers. In this we have a p tag, that is let's upgrade. यार लेट्स अपग्रेड एक कीबोर्ड भेज दो यार मेरे को, मेरा कीबोर्ड खराब हो गया. भेज दो यार, मैकेनिकल भेजना, ठीक है. 1.04 मिलियन सब्सक्राइबर्स हो गए हैं. नाइस यार. Okay, so yes, let me put my image over here. My pic.png. Let's see it. Okay, that looks cool. Now, other than this, we have two buttons. One is थोड़ा small. Title small करूं? ठीक है, title small कर देते हैं. No worries. चलो, title small कर देते हैं. Let's say 1.7 rem. Okay, that looks fine. Okay, 1.7. I guess this is fine. This is fine. Fine. Let's upgrade भेज दो यार, एक नया कीबोर्ड भेज दो यार, कुछ बढ़िया सा. मजा नहीं आ रहा इस पे. Okay, so now comes my join and subscribe button. Okay, so dot join and subscribe button container. Okay, यार ये कीबोर्ड ना चल नहीं रहा है ढंग से. तो यहाँ पे हम लोग बटन बनाएंगे. We will add two buttons. One is join का बटन and the other one is subscribe का बटन. Okay, so yes, that is also done. So yes, other details. Okay, now one more thing. We have to make it like this. Other details. Okay. Left. YouTube खुला हुआ है ना सबका, तो YouTube पे देखते रहना मैं क्या बना रहा हूं. I hope you might be getting what I'm making, right? So these will go in the left part, and then comes my copy this other details, right? So अब right में क्या आता है? What is there in my right part? So we have option to like, dislike, share, and something, right? So we have images, right? We have suppose 3 images. Let us do it like this first of all. So now let us style this. Okay, let us style this now. Other details. Let us style this other details. Dot this border is the first thing. 2 pixels solid red. Make sure to add borders. Please make sure to add borders. Okay. Again, I will give display, flex, justify content, space between, align items, center. Let's see now. Okay, perfect. Okay, so in this, let me add some images so that you can see it. So like.png, let's see it. Yes, we have this. Dislike का icon भी है क्या मेरे पास? I'm not sure. Dislike का भी है. So let's add dislike icon as well. Dislike icon, share का icon है क्या? Share icon भी है. Okay, and more भी है. तो let's see more का क्या icon है मेरे पास. More icon. Let's see now. Okay, looks fine. This looks fine. We'll make it a bit small. How to download? Please tell. What you want to download? Please tell that first. What you want to download? Then I will tell now how to download. So yes, this container now. So left container again. Display, flex, justify content, space between, align item, center, width 30%, save it, and let's see it. Okay, that looks good, I guess, right? Now inside this, we have this channel and icon name. Okay, so let us style this as well. Again, same thing. Copy this, paste it, save it. Let's see. Okay, ऐसे ही कुछ होता है, ऐसा सा कुछ है ना? We have the same thing, and we have this as well. Copy it, paste it, save it, see it. Perfect. Border लगाएंगे 2 pixels, solid green. Okay. So ये थोड़ी सी छोटी पड़ गई. Width थोड़ी सी बढ़ा लेते हैं. 50% की width कर देते हैं. And that looks cool. That really looks cool. Okay. Okay. Cool. Now थोड़ा सा margin देंगे top से. margin. Margin top 1 rem. Save it. Alt Shift F. Control S. Let us see now. Margin top से आया नहीं. आया, मार्जिन आया. ओके, मेरे को दिखा नहीं. मार्जिन आया बट मुझे दिखा नहीं. अब दिखेगा. This looks fine. Maybe 2 rem. This looks okay. क्या कहते हो जनता? Does it looks okay? Does it look okayish? Okay okay सा लग रहा है? Guys, जिंदा हो? Am I going too fast? Am I going too fast? Yes, maybe I'm going too fast because I need to finish it by today. That's why. Okay, so other details, right? Okay, so now we have this thing. I know I'm going too fast, Janta, but please, you can watch it again and again, right? So please cooperate with me, please. The same thing, I'll copy this and I will paste it. Oh my god. Copy this, paste it here. Border 2 pixel solid red. Let's see. Okay, perfect. Width देंगे थोड़ी सी. Width would be say 40%, right? And justify content, space evenly. इसके अंदर जितनी भी images हैं उसकी width कर देंगे हम 100 pixels, not 200. Actually, I want it to be 100. Oh my god. Let's see. ज़्यादा है 30. ठीक लग रहा है? क्या कहते हो? अभी थोड़ा सा और स्टाइलिंग करेंगे, डोंट वरी, वी विल स्टाइल अ बिट. अरे भाई तुषार, तुषार तेरे को आ जाएगा मेरा अगला सेशन जब भी होगा, तुझे नोटिफिकेशन आ जाएगा. ओके, डोंट वरी. पैडिंग 1 rem. ओके, बॉर्डर 1 pixel solid gray. Border radius 50 pixels. Background color this. That is the problem. साला यही प्रॉब्लम है इसमें ना. Okay, we'll fix that. No worries. नहीं यार, पैडिंग इसको नहीं दे सकता मैं. ओके, विल फिक्स दैट एज वेल, कोई बात नहीं है. अरे भाई, अरे भाई. ओके सर, मेक दैट चैनल लोगो बिट स्मॉल. What channel logo? हाँ, channel logo I'm making small. Don't worry. I have to work on it, right? I have not worked on it right now. So yes, we have this thing. So इसको I will give a class name of. We already have a class for this user image, right? So let us see. Okay. Channel icon. Okay. Copy this. Paste it. Width 50 pixels. Now it is fine. Now is it fine? Border radius 50%, right? Margin right 2 rem. 2 is bit more. Yep, now it works, I guess, right? कोई नहीं, देख लियो. अरे भाई, गॉड तुषार भाई, तू पता है, तू ना रोज लड़ाई कराता है हमारी. Okay, so this is my subscriber count. Class is subscriber count. Okay. Font size is 0.5 rem. ज़्यादा छोटा हो गया. 0.7. Okay, it's fine, I guess, right? It looks perfect. Yeah, it's look good, yeah. It looks good. 40. Comment this. Yes. क्या कहते हो जनता? Does it looks okay? Is it looking fine? Is it looking fine? Same but different. Yes, same but different. Yes, yaar. चलें आगे. Shall I move further? Okay. आगे चलते हैं. इमेज का साइज थोड़ा सा बड़ा लग रहा है. इमेज का साइज थोड़ा छोटा करेंगे. Same but different. ओके, लेट अस स्टाइल बटन. ठीक है, बटन्स को स्टाइल करते हैं अब हम. तो भैया इसके अंदर हमारे जितने भी बटन्स हैं, इसके अंदर जितने भी बटन्स हैं उनको दे देंगे हम बॉर्डर 1 पिक्सल सॉलिड. सी, मैं जब भी किसी एलिमेंट को स्टाइल करता हूं, राइट, whenever I style any element, what is the first thing that I do? Buttons. Make sure this thing that you are always, whenever you are styling anything, you are giving borders, right? You are giving borders. Make sure of this thing, okay? ये हम borders दे रहे हैं हमेशा. Perfect. Padding 1 rem, 0.5 rem. Border radius 50 pixels. Ash. This won't work. Or maybe okay, just a minute. I need to do something. Okay, so class join button, class subscribe button. Okay. अरे यार ये 5 ना ऑटोमेटिक दब जाता है. मेरा कीबोर्ड खराब हो गया है. ठीक है, आई गेस तुषार को तो पता ही होगा, बहुत टाइम से खराब है. दैट बीजी वॉइस. कौन सी बीजी वॉइस भाई? देख लो यार, बटन खराब है, मेरे पास लेने के पैसे नहीं है बटन लेने के यार. दिलवा दो जनता. 0.5 rem and 2 rem. Okay, let us see now. Yes, it looks fine, but not 2, I guess. 1.5 would work. And subscribe button. 2, let's see. Or 1 only. Yeah, why I have given this? I don't know. Like, do I need to give this? Really? I don't think so. अरे यार ये कहाँ से खुल जा रहा है? क्लोज कर. ओके, ठीक है, फाइन. सो यस, margin right 1 rem. Let's see. Okay, looks cool. Background color this, and remove this. Border none. Outline none. Save it. Color white. ओ यार भाई, okay, looks fine, I guess, isn't it? Sir, spelling is wrong of other details. भाई ठीक है ना यार, तुम लोग ठीक कर लेना ना यार स्पेलिंग को. अरे 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 ओके तुषार, लॉल ब्रो, सीरियसली लॉल. Font weight, I can say 600. Is it looks like, does it looks good? I believe it is, right? It is looking cool. अरे यार. Hmm. Cursor pointer. Okay. Fine, जनता. Fine. Is it fine, guys? Yes, yes. Does it make sense? Is the UI is making sense? Fine. Perfect. Perfect. Now, what's there? What's left? What's left, जनता? Comment section add करें. Comment section. Should I add the comment section now? या एक डिस्क्रिप्शन आता है, पहले डिस्क्रिप्शन ऐड कर लेते हैं. ठीक है, लेट्स ऐड डिस्क्रिप्शन फर्स्ट. ये थोड़ा सा अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है, इसको हम लोग करते हैं बाद में, स्टाइल करते हैं. थोड़ा स्टाइलिंग पे अभी इतना ध्यान नहीं देते हैं. वी विल स्टाइल इट लेटर ऑन. ओके, वी कैन स्टाइल दैट लेटर ऑन. अभी के लिए इतना ठीक है, इतना ठीक लग रहा है. ओके, नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट डिस्क्रिप्शन एंड देन कमेंट्स. ओके, अरे अरे भाई तुषार ब्रो, ग्रो अप मैन, ग्रो अप. ठीक है. ओके, नाउ डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स. ओके, लेट अस ऐड सम डिस्क्रिप्शन. इसके नीचे ऐड करेंगे. परफेक्ट. डॉट डिस्क्रिप्शन डिस्क्रिप्शन कंटेनर. स्पेलिंग का आई डोंट नो, स्पेलिंग गलत हो सकती है. लॉरम 20. ओके, ऑल शिफ्ट एफ. कॉपी दिस. डॉट डिस्क्रिप्शन कंटेनर. border radius 20 pixels. Okay, fine. Padding 2 rem. Okay, margin top 2 rem. Padding 1 rem. Still okayish. What do you say? Looks cool? Does it looks cool? Copy this. इसके अंदर जो मेरा P है उसका फॉन्ट साइज 0.5 rem. 0.5 rem छोटा हो जाएगा, 0.8 कर देते हैं. लेट अस सी नाउ. हालांकि ये भी छोटा है, 0.9 कर दो. लग तो रहा है यार. सोर्स कोड, अरे यू विल गेट द सोर्स कोड on my GitHub. Okay, you will get the source code on my GitHub. Perfect. हाँ ठीक है. अब इसके नीचे आते हैं हमारे कमेंट सेक्शन. ठीक है, शुड वी ऐड कमेंट्स एज वेल? कमेंट्स ऐड कर दें फटाफट से. आई नीड टू सी कमेंट सेक्शन कैसा दिखता है. हाँ, ऐसा दिखता है. ठीक है, परफेक्ट. सो लेट अस ऐड द कमेंट सेक्शन नाउ. container, container. Okay, comments container. अच्छा, अब यहां पे सबसे पहले होता है क्या, सबसे पहले एक हमारा h1 डालेंगे जहां पे लिखेंगे सपोज 66 और समथिंग कमेंट्स. ठीक है. ओके, कॉपी करेंगे इसको हम. कॉपी करेंगे. MAR margin top 2 rem. परफेक्ट. कमेंट्स कंटेनर के अंदर जो h1 है उसका फॉन्ट साइज 1.5 rem. ओके. Single bell, jingle all the way. Dot write comment. अरे यार, write comment container. ठीक है. So now it is a container in which we have to write some comments, right? जहां पे हमें comments लिखने हैं. ये वो वाला container है. Okay. So chat में क्या चल रहा है? I need to see. Wait. अरे chat अच्छा आ गई. My session will after this. अरे भाई. I think jingle bell tuning. Yes, jingle bell. It's jingle bell. Okay. Yes. So यहाँ पे सबसे पहले I will add image. Okay. And again. Yeah, God, this sucks. This 5 sucks really. Then I will add my input. Okay. Save it. See it. Perfect. Let us style this as well. Okay, let us give him a class name of channel icon. Jingle bell, jingle all the way. Santa Claus is coming around, riding on the sleigh. Hey, jingle bell, jingle all the way. Okay, looks cool. Display, flex. Okay, and line item center. Let's see. Looks cool. Now, इसके अंदर जो इनपुट है, अरे यार रुक जा भाई. भाई क्या है इसके अंदर, भाई हद हो गई. अरे माय गॉड. ओके, सो इसके अंदर जो सर आपका क्लास मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. थैंक यू सो मच भाई. इसके अंदर जो इनपुट है, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल पैडिंग देंगे 1 rem की उसको. देन बैकग्राउंड कलर आई विल गिव ट्रांसपेरेंट and border I will say none. Outline I will say none. अरे यार none. Border bottom 0.5 pixels. Solid white कर देते हैं. White. Color white. गॉड, रुक जा यार प्लीज यार, आधा घंटा बचा है, कर ले यार उसको. ओके, सो width I would say, width, अलग ही इसको चल रहे हैं. Width I would say 100% and like this. Okay, this looks cool I guess, है ना? परफेक्ट है, परफेक्ट है. Bro, I have already tried by removing key number 5, but it is still the issue. I don't know why. Wow, wow. Bro, remove 5 kids done. What is all document? Okay. Keyboard तो मेरी, हाँ यार, actually like I have already tried removing the 5 key, but it is still the issue is there. So I'm sorry for that, guys. I'm so sorry for that, for this issue. Gray maybe. Yes. Okay. Looks cool, isn't it? Isn't this looks cool? It actually looks like YouTube, nahi? Guys, it actually looks like YouTube, है ना? What say? यहाँ से अपन ने फिर ऐसे किया and ये हमारा YouTube आया. Okay, cool. Okay, now first of all, I will add one thing. Yum, 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 yum. Yes, placeholder. Placeholder. Search here. Okay, yes, not search actually. Comment. Comment here. Right. एंड वी हैव पोस्ट कमेंट का भी कुछ बटन होता है. नहीं, पोस्ट कमेंट का बटन नहीं होता, सिर्फ हमारे पास कमेंट ऐड करने का बटन होता है नीचे. ओके, फाइन 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 फाइन. नाउ कम्स माय डॉट previous comments. Okay, previous comments. Okay, which looks fine. Previous comments. तो यहाँ पे हमारे सारे previous comments आ जाएंगे. Okay, यहाँ पे हमारे सारे previous comments आएंगे. So previous comments, how my previous comments looks like? It's like, okay, we have two things. The first one is dot image, Control Z, image, right? And second is div dot name and comment. Okay, so name and comment. Right, then comes my paragraph जिसमें हमारा name आ जाएगा. So suppose at the rate let's upgrade. Okay, at the rate let's upgrade, and then in second is my comment. So p जहाँ पे आ जाएगा dot comment. Okay, this looks fine, looks perfect. So in here I will get my images, that is my image.jpg, alt shift F, and here I will add a class name of channel icon. Copy it, paste it, save it. Let's see. Okay, looks fine. Here I will add deflex. Perfect. Copy it, style it, margin top 1 rem. Let's see. Looks perfect. Does it? And likewise I will have my more comments. Okay, or maybe let me put it PREVIOUS previous comments container, and inside this I will put this. Okay, inside this I will put this, and let us replicate it, copy it. All right, does it looks fine, guys? It looks fine, I guess, है ना? What say? भाई क्या चल गया चैट में? हाँ, okay, 66 comment. ये text है. हाँ, yes, this is text, but yes, we will update it. Now we are going to apply some CSS. Okay, now we are going to apply some CSS, and the interesting thing is now the interesting part. Okay, now we are going to take help of Chat GPT. ठीक है? So whosoever has taken my Chat GPT's bootcamp, they all know that what interesting things we can do with Chat GPT. And if you guys have not taken my bootcamp of Chat GPT, you can always go on Let's Upgrade channel and you can watch my Chat GPT's bootcamp. Okay. Okay. So let us add some Chat GPT वाला part over here. ठीक है? Chat GPT part add करते हैं. So okay, मैं यहीं पे इसी से पूछ लेता हूँ. Chat GPT करें, हेल्प लें चैट जीपीटी से. Okay, so hey, this is my code and I want key whenever I am writing some comment and press enter, that comment should be visible on the yes, the source code is available on GitHub. Okay, so visible in the previous comments container. I want you to write a JS code for this functionality. Here is my JS. God. Okay, wait. Let me, guys, come on. अरे रुक जा भाई. Oh God. Here is my JS file code. Okay, let's see. Let me give it JS file ka code as well. Copy it and let us see what it does. Okay, give me an image. ऊपर की चैट देखो ना भाई, क्या हो गया ऊपर की चैट में? रुक जाओ भाई, मैं सोचू सर ने चैट जीपीटी क्यों नहीं बना. अच्छा भाई, चैट जीपीटी अब कर रहा हूँ ना यूज, देखना चैट जीपीटी कर रहा हूँ ना मैं. Okay. Yes, you will get the source code on GitHub. Sir, auto generated code का extension बता दीजिए. कौन सा auto generated code का extension you want? Okay, let's see. Which auto generate you want? Which auto generate का you want? Okay, so here is the thing, and I need to link this script tag here as well. मुझे script tag यहाँ पे भी चाहिए. So script जिसका src होगा script.js. Let's see. What do you think? Will it work? Will it work, Janta? Okay, let us reload. Let us reload. Hello, this is my comment. अरे ये तो चला ही नहीं दोस्तों. ये तो चला ही नहीं दोस्तों. What is the error it says? Let us see now. Wait, just a second. इसको कमेंट मारो पहले तो. Right, okay. Perfect. Okay, Aya. I got the comment, guys. See, I got my comment. Is it? Yes, I got the comment. Hi, Janta. Yes, I am getting the comments. I am getting the comments, guys. Can you see it? Yes, I am getting the comments. It's cool. Let us remove all the previous comments. Okay. Let us remove all the previous comments. Let us remove all the previous comments. Okay, so I don't have any comments now. I don't have any comments now. Right, let us see. Hello guys. We did it. Arey yaar, guy M5. I'm oh yes. How was it, Janta? Cool? Is it cool? अरे कौन सा auto generation, कौन सा auto generated code? Which auto generated code you are talking about? Is it cool? We are able to comment. We are able to comment. So let's see what we have done. Okay, let's see what we have done. Let's now understand this code, right? So first of all, हाँ यार actually ये 5 मौसम खराब कर देता है सारा. So what I have done, right? So first of all, I have got my input box, right? So whatever input I have given, I have get it. पहले मैं उसको लेके आया. Then I got my previous comments container, right? जो मेरे previous comments का container था, then मैं उसको लेकर के आया, right? Then I got my image source, जो मेरी default image है. Ravi, what auto generated code you are talking about? I'm not sure about that. Okay. So then जो मेरी image है, मैंने उस image का source दिया यहाँ पे, right? Then एक function बनाया add comment नाम का function, जिसमें से मैंने जो मेरा comment का text है, right? Comment का text है. I am providing my git repo. Okay. Right. Just a second. I am providing it. Wait. Your repositories. So this is my GitHub. Okay. This is my GitHub. You can always find the code over here. Okay. You can always find the code over here. This is my GitHub. Okay. Rishabh32700. Okay. Rishabh32700 is my GitHub. I'm pinging it in the chat as well. You can always find the code over here. Okay. I have spammed. Okay. I have spammed. So in here, in the repositories part, you will see that YT clone LetsUpgrade. Okay. YT clone LetsUpgrade. So this is the chart. This is the repo. You can always find the code over here. Okay. You can find the code over here. Fine. Let's continue. So what I did, जो मेरा comment text है, right? उसको I have trim it, right? I have trim it from front and back. I have trim it from front and back. And अगर मेरा comment text में कुछ बचता है after trimming, right? Now why I have trimmed it? Right? We do trimming to remove the extra spaces, to remove the spaces from starting and ending. Now मेरे को जरूरत क्या पड़ी ट्रिम करने की? सी अगर मैं ट्रिम नहीं करता, राइट, तो क्या होता? अगर मैं ट्रिम नहीं करता तो यहाँ पे स्पेस जो है ना, वो स्पेस भी एज अ कमेंट चला जाता है. लेट मी शो यू. वेट, लेट मी शो यू. ओके, लेट मी शो यू. लेट मी कमेंट दिस, राइट? लेट मी कमेंट दिस एंड लेट मी कमेंट दिस एज वेल. ओके, नाउ लेट मी शो यू व्हाट इज द इंपैक्ट ऑफ दिस ट्रिमिंग. ओके, तो स्ट्रिमिंग का इंपैक्ट क्या है? देखो, मैंने स्पेस दबाया, एंटर किया, ये देख रहे हो एरर आ रहा है. कैन यू सी दिस एरर इज कमिंग, दैट कमेंट अच्छा, okay, so this error is something else error. Wait. Okay, let's not trim it. Okay, let's see. ये देख रहे हो? Can you see this? If I don't trim it, right? If I don't trim it, and if I put this space, I'm just putting space and I'm pressing enter. See, it is taking it as a comment. If I'm pressing enter and if I'm pressing space and enter, it is taking it as a comment, right? So if I don't trim it, what will happen? It will take empty spaces as a comment, right? So I need to trim the values, right? I need to trim it, right? I need to trim it from starting and ending. अगर मैं इसको trim कर देता हूं, तो अब अगर मैं space डालता हूं और मैं enter press करता हूं, तो see, it will not take it unless and until I put something, then only it will take it. Got that? Got it? Janta? Perfect? So yes, commenting part is done. Commenting part is also done. Perfect. Now let us see let's make this comment count dynamic. Okay, let's make this comment count dynamic. So copy this, right? Let's ask chat GPT to make this comment count dynamic. Okay, now I have hard coded comment counts to 66. I want to make it dynamic. Let's see. Okay, it is updating it. That's it. it is updating it. Perfect. You don't need to do anything. Okay, you don't need to do anything. Chat GPT is there. It will do everything. Chat GPT will do everything. You don't need to do anything. But भाई कभी कभी अटक भी जाता है, ठीक है? कभी कभी अटक भी जाता है. So let's see. Okay, 0 comments. Perfect. Hi. 1 comment. Hello. 2 comments. Bye bye. 3 comments. Done. Perfect. Now let us see इसने किया क्या, right? What it did. So earlier जैसे हमने comment input लिया था, right? We took the comment input, right? We took the previous container and what we did, जो भी हमारे उसमें previous input में value थी वो हमने उसमें add कर दी थी. अभी हमने क्या लिया? डिफॉल्ट. अच्छा, ये तो डिफॉल्ट चैनल आइकन है, राइट? अपडेट कमेंट्स काउंट, राइट? अपडेट कमेंट्स काउंट. अभी क्या कर रहा है? इसने कमेंट बनाया, राइट? इसने कमेंट बनाया एंड व्हाट इट इज डूइंग, right? What it is doing one thing that okay, previous comment container में से get element by class name करो. जो भी हमारे जितने भी previous comments हैं ये उनको get करके लाया और उनको इसने comments में store करा दिया. और उसकी जो लेंथ आई, उस एरे की जो लेंथ थी, ये एक एरे रिटर्न करता है. So always remember, whenever you will do get elements by class name, it will always return you an array. तो उस एरे की जो लेंथ थी वो इसने कमेंट काउंट में डाल दिया और जो कमेंट काउंट का एलिमेंट था उसके टेक्स्ट कंटेंट में इसने उस काउंट को प्लेस कर दिया. दैट्स इट. वही सेम चीज. कोई इश्यू, समस्या, दुविधा, परेशानी? हाँ भाई जनता, हैप्पी. थोड़ा सा और स्टाइलिंग करते हैं इसके अंदर. जो मेरा ये पैराग्राफ है इसको क्लास देनी है. चैनल नेम, कॉपी दिस, God. Font size 0.7 rem. Margin bottom 0.7 rem. Let's see. Okay. Looks fine. कैसे हो? नहीं, ये नहीं बोलता, क्या बोलता है? तो कैसे हैं आप लोग? चलिए शुरू करते हैं बिना किसी। नाइस, सही है यार। आई ऑलरेडी एक्सप्लेन कि जो इफ कमेंट टेक्स्ट है उससे क्या हो रहा है। सी, अगर मैं यहाँ पे इफ कमेंट टेक्स्ट है राइट, अगर मैं इसको नहीं लगाता या मैं कमेंट टेक्स्ट में यहाँ पे ट्रिम नहीं लगाता राइट, सो व्हाट विल हैपन, जो मेरे स्पेसेस हैं राइट, इट विल टेक स्पेसेस एज अ कमेंट। एक एम्प्टी स्पेस को भी वो एज अ कमेंट ले लेगा राइट। बट क्योंकि मैंने यहाँ पे एक वैल्यू के आगे ट्रिम लगाया है राइट, तो मैं क्या कर रहा हूं, अगर मेरे पास स्पेसेस आती हैं स्टार्टिंग में या एंडिंग में, तो मैं उस स्पेसेस को ट्रिम कर दे रहा हूं, मैं उस स्पेसेस को हटा दे रहा हूं राइट। तो जब मैंने उस स्पेसेस को हटा दिया तो कमेंट टेक्स्ट में कुछ वैल्यू बची ही नहीं राइट, कुछ वैल्यू बची ही नहीं, है ना, है ना। तो जब कुछ वैल्यू बची ही नहीं तो इस इफ के अंदर का कोड चलेगा ही नहीं। ये इफ के अंदर का कोड कब चलेगा, जब इस कमेंट टेक्स्ट में कुछ वैल्यू होगी। और वैल्यू कब होगी, जब मैं कुछ टाइप करूंगा राइट। अब टाइप करने में स्पेसेस भी तो आते हैं, आई कैन टाइप स्पेसेस एज वेल राइट। बट अगर मैं स्पेस टाइप करके कमेंट कर दूंगा तो एक एम्प्टी कमेंट जाएगा। अब उन स्पेसेस को कमेंट में जाने से अवॉइड करने के लिए आई हैव एडेड दिस ट्रिम राइट। और ये इफ का चेक क्यों लगाया है कि जब तक मेरे कमेंट टेक्स्ट में कोई वैल्यू नहीं होगी तब तक इसके अंदर का कोड नहीं चलेगा राइट। सो आई एम मेकिंग श्योर कि कोई भी खाली एम्प्टी कमेंट ना आ जाए। गॉट इट, गॉट इट। यस आई नो गिटहब कोपायलट एक्सटेंशन दैट इज देयर इन माय ऑफिस लैपटॉप, बट मेरे घर के लैपटॉप में गिटहब कोपायलट नहीं है। ओके ओके जनता, सो आई गेस that's it for today. What say? That's it. Was it good? That's it. बन गया YouTube क्लोन। बन गया YouTube क्लोन सर। अब क्या करें? गिटहब को पायलट पेड वर्जन है। यस, गिटहब को पायलट पेड वर्जन है यार। उसका अल्टरनेटिव स्टूडेंट आईडी से ले लो ना यार, स्टूडेंट आईडी से ले लो भाई। मेक इट रिस्पॉन्सिव यार, तुम मेहनत करवाओगे। 15 मिनट है, 15 मिनट में रिस्पॉन्सिव कैसे बनाऊं मैं इसको? ठीक है ओके, तुम मुझे 15 मिनट में रिस्पॉन्सिव बनाने को बोल रहे हो हैं? ओके so your GitHub name Rishabh32700 is my GitHub name. Okay, let's try make it responsive. Fine, try करें। @media @media only screens, ठीक है, जहां पे min width ऐसे लिखते हैं। मैं तो भूल भी गया मीडिया क्वेरी कैसे लगाते हैं। आई सीरियसली आई फॉरगेटन, मैं भूल गया मीडिया क्वेरी कैसे लगाते हैं। रुक जाओ, लेट मी टेक हेल्प ऑफ चैट जीपीटी। वेट, मैं मीडिया क्वेरी लगाने भूल गया। मीडिया क्वेरी CSS, ओके हाँ ऐसा था। परफेक्ट, I'll let's take this complete, okay, to check the design. पेस्ट इट और शिफ्ट एफ कंट्रोल एस, लेट अस सी। परफेक्ट, तो ये 600 तक जाएगा आई गेस। ठीक है, तो मैं लगाता हूं इसको 500 पिक्सल्स तक। ओके, टू मेक चेक इट रिस्पॉन्सिव ओवर हियर। अब देखो यहां पे मुझे क्या करना है, व्हाट आई वांट, राइट, व्हाट आई वांट कि भाई जो मेरा क्लास नेम है, या सपोज करो जो मेरा वो है क्या चीज, साइड बार, राइट। तो जो मेरा साइड बार है, कहाँ है मेरा साइड बार दोस्तों? ओके, सो हियर इज माय साइड बार। Copy it, copy it, आजा भाई, हाँ। सो स्मॉलर साइड बार को उठा के ऐसा कर दो, इसको उठा के ऐसा कर दो। ठीक है जी, इतना तो हुआ काम। ओके, लेट्स डू इट अ बिट मोर। 5 से इसको कर देते हैं 10% पे। ठीक है जी। अरे क्या हो गया? ओके, बॉर्डर 2 पिक्सल सॉलिड रेड, 10%, 30% कर दें। ओके 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 ओके, 15 ही रहने दो इसको फिर। हाँ, 15% पे इट लुक्स गुड, तो मुझे इसको नहीं छेड़ना है। आई डोंट वांट टू शेडिंग दिस, राइट, दिस लुक्स फाइन आई गेस। ओके, ये तो ठीक ही लग रहा है मुझे। एंड जो मेरे ये आइकन्स हैं, राइट, इसके साइड में जो आइकन्स है, आई नीड टू रिमूव दोज आइकन्स। ओके, तो मुझे वो आइकन्स हटाने हैं। कौन कौन से? index.html में से मुझे कुछ आइकन्स हटाने हैं। सबसे पहले अपन यूट्यूब का आइकन हटाते हैं। यूट्यूब लोगो मुझे नहीं चाहिए, सो लेट्स रिमूव दिस। डिस्प्ले नन, राइट, सो सिंस आई एम डूइंग इट डिस्प्ले नन, तो यहां से हट जाएगा। ओके, चेक में नेक्स्ट सेशन में मॉन स्टैक प्रोजेक्ट। अच्छा सर, नेक्स्ट सेशन में मॉन स्टैक, ओके सर, डन। माइक आइकन हटाना है एक मेरे को, सो लेट अस रिमूव माइक आइकन एज वेल। ठीक है, माइक आइकन हम हटा सकते हैं। आई डोंट नीड माइक आइकन। कहाँ है मेरा माइक आइकन? माइक डिव हटा दो पूरा। सो माइक डिव आई डोंट वांट। डिस्प्ले नन। ओके, और ये 2 आइकन्स भी हटाने हैं अपने को, ये 2 आइकन्स भी हम हटा देते हैं। अरे इनको क्लास नेम नहीं दिया, लेट अस गिव देम अ क्लास नेम। क्लास नेम ऑफ upload image and notification image। स्पेलिंग्स आई नो गलत हैं काफी जगह पे, बट तुम लोग ठीक कर लेना। आई एम नॉट टेकिंग केयर अबाउट स्पेलिंग्स। डॉट कॉमा डॉट कंट्रोल एक्स कॉमा डॉट कंट्रोल एक्स कॉमा डॉट, लेट्स सी, शिफ्ट एफ कंट्रोल एस, लेट्स सी नाउ। ठीक है, थोड़ा ठीक लग रहा है ये, है ना? सर आप एक ही हो जो हमारी भावना समझते हो, सीधा ही बोल। अरे भाई क्या बोल दिया मैंने? ऐसा क्या बोल दिया भाई मैंने? ओके, सो जो मेरा सर्च बार है, राइट, सो जो मेरा सर्च बार है, सर्च बॉक्स, राइट, मुझे सर्च बॉक्स की विड्थ बढ़ानी है। सो लेट अस इंक्रीज द विड्थ ऑफ माय सर्च बॉक्स। ठीक है, बॉर्डर देंगे 1 पिक्सल सॉलिड ग्रीन। ओके, सो ओके, नाव मिडल की, पूरे मिडल की बढ़ा लेते हैं ना, छोड़ो, पूरे मिडल की विड्थ बढ़ा लेते हैं अपन, नाव मिडल। हाँ, इसकी विड्थ कर देते हैं 80% पे। यस, लुक्स गुड, लुक्स गुड आई गेस। क्या कहते हो, ठीक लग रहा है? और जो मेरा ये है सर्च डिव, लुक्स फाइन। क्या कहते हो जनता? ऐसा भी ठीक लग रहा है वैसे तो। जो मेरा डॉट कार्ड है, राइट, डॉट कार्ड, उसकी विड्थ हम बढ़ा देंगे 350 पिक्सल्स। ओके ओके, मन स्टैक के लिए हाँ बोल दिया मैंने, पता नहीं भाई, बोल दिया होगा, गलती होगी होगी मेरे से हो जाती है गलती कभी कभी। ठीक है जनता, व्हाट डू यू से, इतना काफी है? शैल वी डिसाइड मैक्स? You have to play around, right? You always have to play around it. See? हाँ, बस ये थोड़ा सा है, इसको अपने को देखना है, इसको अपन कैसे ठीक कर सकते हैं। बाकी इट इज मोर ऑफ अ रिस्पॉन्सिव थिंग, ठीक है, इसको भी रिस्पॉन्सिव कर लेते हैं, कोई बात नहीं है। क्या कहते हो, कर लें? चलो फिर कर ही लेते हैं। कितना टाइम बचा है? वी हैव 7 मिनट्स, लेट्स डू इट। ये 7 मिनट है हमारे पास। मार्जिन लेफ्ट 1 rem आई गेस, मार्जिन लेफ्ट 0 कर देते हैं। व्हाट इज दिस? इट इज पैडिंग। अच्छा, पैडिंग लेफ्ट है 2 rem, ओके। सो मुझे यहाँ पे मार्जिन की जगह पे पैडिंग लेफ्ट 1 rem देना है, which looks fine, or maybe I can give it padding left 0.5 rem, that will also look good. This is also looking good. Okay, now मुझे उसको उसके नीचे करना है, राइट? सो हम उसको उसके नीचे कर देते हैं, जो हमारा साइड वाला चीज है, कंटेंट। ओके, सो आई मस्ट हैव गिवन कंटेंट डिस्प्ले फ्लेक्स, हैव आई? ओके, कंटेंट को डिस्प्ले फ्लेक्स दिया है ना, ओके। सो अब मैं क्या करूंगा, क्योंकि मैंने कंटेंट को डिस्प्ले फ्लेक्स दिया है, तो आई विल सिंपली डू इट समथिंग लाइक दिस, फ्लेक्स डायरेक्शन कॉलम, सेव इट, लेट्स सी इट, हो गया जी, ये लो, डन सर, डन सर। एनीथिंग एल्स, एनीथिंग एल्स जनता? ये थोड़े आइकन वाइकन है, इसको रिमूव करना है, रिमूव कर दो, हट ला, चल दिखाना है तो दिखा दो, कोई बात नहीं, इसको अगर दिखाना है तो हम दिखा देते हैं, नो वरीज। अदर डिटेल्स है ना मेरे पास, अदर डिटेल्स, राइट? सो अदर डिटेल्स में भी अपन क्या करते हैं, ओके, डॉट अदर डिटेल्स लाइक दिस। अरे नहीं 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 दोस्तों, ऐसे नहीं होगा। ठीक है यार, कर लो यार, तुम कर लेना, इतना तो कर लोगे, ठीक है। नेक्स्ट कोर्स, आई एम नॉट श्योर अबाउट माय नेक्स्ट कोर्स। Okay. Ah, finally. Oh God. We'll add the GitHub. Okay, they will add the GitHub link. Okay, in the Notion, you can get it from here. Let me add this. Git add space dot changes git push. Okay, जनता, अब बताइए, anything else? Okay, thank you then. So, shall we end this session? Sir, what were the project you will build as a fresher? I build lots of projects. Okay, I really build. I don't know how many projects I built when I was a fresher. Okay, so yes, I built YouTube clone. I built W3 schools clone. I built Web3. Sorry, this Netflix clone. I built WhatsApp clone. So WhatsApp clone also I built. So we have built lots of projects. Okay, lots of projects when I was in my when I was fresher. Okay. Yes, I have already uploaded the it to GitHub, and you will find the link. Okay. So, anything else, Janta, or shall we end this session? Okay. Thank you, gaming, whatever gaming you are. Okay, then, Janta. I guess good to end the session, right? Chale, chale. Okay, then. Yes, clones. I guess are enough to make that, but you should try some other projects as well, right? So you should always try some other projects, right? Clones are there to do practice. Clones are always there to do some practice, but you should always try with some other projects. Okay. Okay then. Bye everyone. Such a lovely audience, and let's upgrade. We can end the session.